Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create drop down list in Google Sheet. So if you want to create a drop down list in Google spreadsheet, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have created an product IDs drop down list, and now I am going to create a product name drop down list. So how to do it? You have to just click on the cell where you want to create the drop down list, then go to data. In data you have to select data validation, then you have to click on add rules. Okay, then here you will see drop down. So now click on drop down from range. Okay, now click on the below and select data range. Now you have to as I want to create the drop down list of product name, so you have to select whole range, click on OK. Now click on done. Now close this. Now you will see the drop down list has been created. So like this you can create drop down list in Google Sheet. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.